Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to change your IP address on Starlink. So first of all, step number one is going to be rebooting your Starlink equipment. So open Starlink app on your phone or tablet, go to the settings and tap reboot Starlink to restart your dish and router. Wait a few minutes and check your IP address using a site like whatismyipaddress.com or a similar one. If that didn't help, I will give you next steps. Power cycle your equipment. Unplug your Starlink router and dish power supply from the outlets. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before plugging them back in. Once the system reconnects, check if the IP address has changed with the same method that I've explained in the first step. Step number 3. If you have a Starlink Roam, formerly known as RV plan, you can change locations in the Starlink app, update your service address or move to a different area. Restart your system and your IP address should refresh. And the last step is going to be just using a VPN for a different IP. If your IP address doesn't change, consider using a VPN. The VPN assigns you as a different IP every time you connect, bypassing the need for a Starlink IP change. And guys, this is basically the 4 methods to do this. I hope this helps. If it did, press the like button on this video to support us. Subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.